course, we're going to focus on creating spaces that are as beneficial to the ecosystem around you as they are to you. And most of the plants around us have hidden medicinal properties that are just waiting to be unleashed. And honestly, you could probably argue that every single plant around us in the ecosystem has some type of medicinal use. However, I'm going to focus on some common plants that you could see in the wild, and also common plants that you might be planting in your space if you're trying to plant a native space. We're going to talk about each of these plants and show you how a variety of plants of all shapes and sizes are going to support the widest diversity of creatures in your area. We're also going to show that it's not only blooms that are really important for the creatures around you, it's the entire plant at large, and also additional plants that might serve a bonus of being a host species to various types of caterpillars and other creatures.